May nakita kaming Yakult Lady, guys. Kita niyo yun? Nakita niyo yun? Hey!
Hello.
How much?
How much à?
Yeah, this one.
25,000 đồng.
35.
25.
I want to buy.
It's okay for you today because
55,000 đồng.
we work in Yakult in the Philippines.
Nakita mo yan? Wow! This is 65. Do you have blue?
Blue à?
Yakult Life?
Can I see inside?
Yeah. Bayaran mo.
How much? One pack of light, one pack of regular.
Như nào nhỉ?
I-translate mo.
One this and one this.
Pakita mo yan.
One.
Yeah. That one.
25,000 đồng.
How much?
25,000 đồng.
Total.
55,000 đồng.
And this one, 55.
55.
110.
55.
Yeah,
Do
55.
you have plastic? Ano?
Yeah. We're from Yakult, Philippines. Yeah, you know Yakult, Philippines. Yakult, Philippines. Ay, hindi. Wala palang data. So, we're from the Yakult, Philippines.
110. 150. Oh, only 55.
Yeah. Ito yung Yakult niya, guys, ah. Yeah.
Can we see your Yakult inside? No, this one. Inside. Can we see?
40. Ah, yeah. 40.
Đây này.
What's
25 à?
Yeah, 4.
we add? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Here.
for being nice. So, I will give it to the Filipino people. Yeah. Just- So, there's so many Yakult Lady. There's so many Filipino people selling this product. Yeah, they're also house to house. They're doing house to house delivery. So, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ayan guys, oh. So nakakita na kayo ng Yakult Lady dito. Ang dami nila dito guys. Actually, ngayon ko lang nakita. Ito guys, oh.
Bumili na kami.
Di ba? Bumili kami. And guys, oh. Yan. So nakabili na kami ngayon sa kanya. Mabait sila, guys. Binigay namin lahat ng pera namin doon. So yun guys.
Bukod tayo.
Wait lang. Masaya kami kasi nakahanap din ako ng Yakult Lady guys. Ayun guys, so dito lang to sa may city ng Hanoi. Nasa Hanoi pala sila.
Tawagin to si Tom.